Hello students. Welcome to our channel Learning Hub. Today we will discuss lesson number 3 of parts of speech, that is verbs and their types. Verb. A verb is a word that describes an action or state. Examples: jump, dance, go, run, write, and sing are examples of verbs. Types of verbs: 1 transitive verb, 2 intransitive verb, 3 stative verb, 4 regular verb, 5 irregular verb, 6 auxiliary verb, 7 modal auxiliary verb, 8 phrasal verb, 9 linking verb, 1 transitive verb. A transitive verb is an action verb which needs an object to receive that action. Examples: I bought a car. He loves you. In the given sentences, bought and loves are transitive verbs. 2 intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is an action verb which does not need an object to receive that action. Examples: he runs. They laughed. In the given sentences, runs and laughed are intransitive verbs. 3 stative verb. A verb that describes state, condition, emotions, possession, or thoughts. Examples: state, surprise, satisfy, etc. Emotion: love, like, adore, etc. Possession: have, own, etc. Thought: wish, think, remember, etc. For regular verb. A verb whose past and past participle are formed by adding suffix ed is called a regular verb. Examples: walk, walked, walked. Want, wanted, wanted. Decide, decided, decided. 5 irregular verb. Irregular verb forms past tense and past participle irregularly and not by adding suffix ed. Examples: go, went, gone. Read, read, read. Win, won, won. 6 auxiliary or helping verb. Auxiliary verbs are used with a main verb to express tense, mood, or voice. Examples: be, is, am, are, was, were, being. Can, could. Do, did, does, doing. May, might. Have, had, has, having. Shall, will, etc. 7 modal auxiliary verb. A modal auxiliary verb is used along with a main verb to express ability, possibility, necessity, or permission. Examples: must, might, may, ought to, can, could, had better, shall, will, should, etc. 8 phrasal verb. A verb combined with an adverb or a preposition to give a new meaning is called a phrasal verb. Examples: passed away, came into, go for, speak up, turn down, run over, etc. 9 linking verb. A verb that describes the subject is called a linking verb or copular verb. Examples: the cat is hungry. Your feet smell terrible. In the above sentences, is and smell are linking verbs. For notes and worksheets, follow the link in the description, and do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.